What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Jayla, aka Lily, and I'm here with another video, another painting for you guys. It's gonna be on this canvas, not as big, but you know it's pretty big. Kind of excited though, cause it's different. It's something that it's more of a personal painting kind of. So I'm pretty excited, kind of nervous, kind of anxious. It's a lot of emotions wrapped up in one. Unfortunately, guys, I lost my lighter, so I ain't got no incense to light today. So it's just straight to the painting type of thing. Cause I don't know where my lighter at. I had this other day. It's gone now. Like, I only use it for one thing, for my incense. So, in my candles. So ain't no telling where is that. Oh, who might have took it, used it for something else, forgot to place it back where it was. I don't know, but my baby missing, so I gotta give me another one, probably buy a big pack. But anywho, this painting is gonna be of a lotus flower, bit of meditation, bit of the ocean. It's a lot of different elements I'm playing with. It is most definitely something I've never done before. I've never done this before. So I'm excited. Yeah, nervous, but I'm doing it. So let's get into it. You dig? Let's get straight into. Actually, I did it the wrong way. Let's get straight into this painting. All right, let me stop playing. Let's get into this painting for real though. All right, truth is, I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna just go with the flow. I literally had just watched like 5 videos on how to do this painting, but I really wanted to paint it. So I was like, you know what, we just gonna do it. The sky's not all the way black, so I'm gonna slide some blue and some black in there. That's the reason for that. In this process, I was like, black is gonna overpower the blue. But then if I do it right, it's not. But then it was frustrating me, cause like, see all those white spots in there? That was aggravating me. But I'm like, it's cool. We just gonna keep it going and keep it pushing. Cause it look good. It don't look bad. I like it. And this part right here, I don't go all the way down, cause the other half, that's gonna be the water. And you can't go all the way down. You gotta have a stop in the split between the sky and the water. So that's the reason for not going all the way down. So then, there's that. The water. See, I saw her do this in a video. She just put the light blue in there, and then with the dark blue in there, and this part right here, I was like, I'm gonna just hope for the best. With the light blue, the dark blue, and then a little bit more dark blue. At this point, I'm just going with the flow. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm really like, for real, when I was doing this, I real life had no idea what I was doing. So now it's like, okay, I'm gonna put the dark blue over here, make it a little darker. Cause you know, the moon is gonna be right there in the center. So you gotta think about the reflection and how all that's gonna work. And I'm gonna try to blend it all up. I was like, all right, put a little black in there, cause it is night. So you gotta make it get the little darker effect. But you don't want the black to overpower it, so that's why you put too much black in there. And I just come over with it. And I'm like, okay, I like this. And then I was thinking, I was like, yo, I don't know how I'm gonna put that what I did on the other side, on this side, but we're gonna keep it pushing. So then I'm doing it, and I'm just like, all right, we're gonna go with the flow. Then I made a mistake. I see that I put too much black right there, but then I was like, you know what, it's okay. We're just gonna keep it moving. And gonna act like nothing's wrong. And so then bring it in some, because the moon is not gonna be that big. So I was like, we don't need that big of a glow space, a reflection space from the moon. And so then you're gonna put that little bit of light blue right there. This part right here, ooh, baby, I real life didn't know what I was doing right here. I just watched a video on a man doing this, and I was like, we're gonna try it though, cause it's like a dry brush technique. Like all the brushes I'm using right now are dry. And then I'm just going down with the light blue and the dark blue, trying to make the reflection and make everything line up with the water I just did. And I go in with a little bit of black, and I'm like, okay, that's too bright of a blue. So then I'm gonna slide a little bit of black through there, just like that. Smooth, baby. And then that process, it's not come down, And I was like, ooh, I was gonna do the moon. When the man specifically said, don't do the moon first. He said, do the stars first. And I had to go back and do the stars and then do the moon. Moon's looking kind of cricky. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna spend a second on the moon, because I don't know. We gotta let it come together. So then I'm just putting in different blues and stuff, trying to make it, to where it's not so two-dimensional. Make it kind of look a little realistic, but then not too realistic. Because, you can't really see all the craters and stuff in the moon from the earth. You just see little shadows. So, yeah, that's just that. A little reflection in there. I'm like, okay, this smooth. It's feeling a little confident. And this lotus fire, boy, I don't know what I was doing. But this is what the lady did, so I just stuck with it. Put a little thing right there. It's like, I hope it shows. So now I start putting this in there. Right here. I don't know why I'm gonna do this, but she did it, so I'm gonna try it. And then I was like, oh, that look good. Then that was that. I'm gonna run that back one more time. Run that back, DJ. Watch that. What's up, y'all? So I really like this painting. Like, check it. You see it? It look good. But anyway, not further. I really like it. And I tried a lot of new different methods in it while doing it. And I was kind of like hesitant on them. But I just kept playing with them and seeing where it went. I like where it went. It still turned out good, you did. But anyway, thank you for watching. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe. If you want to keep updates on like when I'm posting stuff, post notifications. Or you can follow my IG, l3.art. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up on there. But thanks for watching. Thanks for the love. I wish you guys nothing but peace and prosperity. And yeah. L3, Lily, J-Lil. Oh, we out here. Not further. Love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a good week.